Hello. Okay, so earlier today when we were in the meets, I could not log into my account, and I realized what I did. I changed my username. I fixed it. It's all fine now. So when you log in, you are again the login information should be in the slides. I think I'll update the assignment. Please let me know if you can't log in. But once you log in, you're going to find your grade. You're going to click on the assignment Jazz Loops. Once you do that, open in Soundtrap. You are picking two loops. One of them is going to be a rhythmic loop, which means that there is discard. So there's going to be a rhythmic loop, which means there are no pitches, no notes. It's just beats, just maybe percussion instruments. And you're going to pick a melodic loop, which is the notes and the melody that we're going to be choosing. So to be able to look for these loops, either you are going to click on Browse Loops right here, or if you cannot find the loop library this way, if this doesn't show up, you can click New Track and find loop library right here. Click on that and it'll bring it up. Now, let's get rid of this. The title of this task is Jazz Loops, and I told you that April is Jazz Appreciation Month, so we are going to pick jazz. This will filter out all of the different loops within the library, and you'll get only ones that have to do with jazz. Now, for the rhythmic one, you are looking for things that say beat. Kabasa, that is a percussion instrument. Drums. There was one that I liked. Oh, wait. It was a bolero. Oh, that is so fun. But wait, I want to see bossy bossa. Ooh, love that. Okay, so you can either drag it or double click. Okay. Great. So now I've added this to my track. If you scroll all the way back to the top, it gives you different choices for this particular, whatever you've chosen, it'll top picks for this project. Soundtrap will pick the ones that sound the best with the one you've already chosen. So let's see what these are like. Okay. No. How about this one? Oh, I like that a lot, but let's see. Okay, let's try this. I want to see what they sound like together. That is so fun. Oh, I love it. Okay, but let's say I wanted to change my mind. Dusty chords. Ooh. Jazzy Samba 3. Oh, look, there's more. Ooh. Ooh, that's fun too. Let's do this. And let's see what happens. I'm going to get rid of this one. Oops. Let's play the two together. Okay. I still like... Okay, I still like this one. Now, look at how many tracks I have. It's kind of... Let me delete them. So if you click the three dots right here, track options, you are going to click on that, delete track. Click on this. You can delete these two because you know that you're looking for one rhythmic and one melodic. Delete track. I want to get rid of the dusty chords. No. Start from the beginning. Once you have what you like, you're going to click Save. Save is up here. It must turn gray. So right now it is purple. When you click on it, it turns gray. You're going to then click File, Submit Task, Jazz Loops. This is how you're going to submit. Awesome.